Jodi Arias on the stand again today. Her defense attorney getting his last crack at trying to keep her off of death row. 3TV's Jared Dillingham has been following this one from the very beginning. And Jared, again, just another pretty shocking day in court.
It continues, Carrie, with day 15 today of Arias on the stand. You know, a lot of court watchers say the prosecutor did a solid job proving Arias planned a killer car trip from California to Mesa to kill her ex-lover in 2008. Jodi Arias today spent the day in court trying to justify some of the most damning evidence against her. Jodi Arias tried to explain away the gasoline containers she brought from California. The prosecutor says with extra gas, she wouldn't have to fill up in Arizona and leave a record that she'd been here. Arias's excuse?
I was concerned about driving across that area in the middle of the night, being alone, never having driven that road before, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't run out of gas. Another
issue, the still missing gun Arias used to kill her ex-boyfriend. She says she got it in his closet.
He kept it up in this.
The prosecutor says Arias stole the gun from her grandparents.
You brought the gun from Eureka, didn't you?
No.
Arias today said she wouldn't have to steal a gun. She rattled off a list of people she could have borrowed from.
Matt had guns. Daryl had a gun. My father had guns.
Then there's the issue of the license plate on Arias's rental car. The prosecutor says Arias flipped it to avoid detection. Arias blames kids.
No, I just noticed some people skating away from the area of my car, and I didn't think much of it.
Arias was also asked about throwing off suspicion, which included sending a bouquet of lilies to Alexander's grieving grandmother.
Obviously, I felt really awful, and I felt like by not doing anything, it would have been worse than sending flowers.
Jodi Arias hoping the jury buys her excuses and the remorse she showed on the stand today.
I couldn't believe that that had happened, and I was horrified with myself. I was very ashamed because they were my actions, and it's my responsibility.
Arias's attorney is now done with his questioning. Members of the jury have submitted around 100 questions they would like Jodi Arias to answer. That should begin tomorrow afternoon. Carrie.